big group. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, brother? Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Thank you.
Good. Quite busy, isn't it? Good.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Street and also Padma Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali and also Padma area on Royal Legian Street and also Padma Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation in Padma Legian Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. And as I'll tell you, I will make videos start from Royal Legian Street. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Royal Legian Street. And if I turn right over there, this is central of Legian Street, ground zero over there. But now all my videos start from south until to the north area on Royal Legian Street. So let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. Little bit backlight for the video today, but I hope you still can see the video and you will know the situation at the moment in Padma Legian Bali. Quiet, isn't it? Very strange. Wow. Around 1 week ago when I made video in this area, really busy. I was driving with a bike in this area and a lot of tourists, but today quiet. I don't know why. Maybe soon we'll be busy. Maybe they are go to the beach to see the sunset over there. Okay, let's keep continue walking. Even in this area, not really busy. Actually, it's very nice to doing shopping in this area, but for sure you have to be bargaining when you are doing shopping in this area. It's quiet. Quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Oh, some loud music beside me. So I have to talk louder than the music as usually. Wow. Music, music, music. Is there live music there? I think so. Yeah. Live music over there. Yeah, okay. Let's keep continue walking on Royal Legian Street. cross the street because it's gonna be better if I don't make view from other side because the sunshine also strong. Woo. Hard to understanding my English. I'm happy if you don't understand. Hello. Wow, big group. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, brother? All good? Wow, now starting busy in this area. You see more tourists in this area, isn't it? That's good. Left side is Chinese restaurant. This is Chinese restaurant. Across the street left side, this is momos in Padma Bali. Momo spot bar over there. Not so busy, but few tourists over there is good. Wow, shopping. Cross the street, few tourists over there. Not really busy, but and this is the local Legian. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Thank you.
That's the new shop. One's already open there. Bilabong. Yeah. Sport shop. Magroima, you remember this sport bar? I think you've been in there. Ooh, few tourists over there. It's good. It's quite busy. It's good. And this is 108 sport bar. How busy over there? Let's see together. Wow, that's good. Quite busy, isn't it? Busy over there. That's good. Cross the street at the restaurant. Few tourists over there too. That's good. Legian pub. Wow. Hello. How are you, boss? Good, boss? backlight, but I hope as you can see video. Wow. Not so busy actually. I don't know why. Are they go to the beach? Because the weather is just so beautiful today. Yeah, maybe they are on the beach. And this is poster pub. Poster pub. Wow, it's quite busy over there. That's good. Wow, busy. Ooh. Hello, boss. How are you, boss?
Hello, boss.
Hi, boss. How are you, boss? Ooh. Okay, let's cross straight. White bar is over there. Okay, guys. So what do you think of this area? Not really busy, isn't it? Let's keep continue walking on Padma Street, Bali. Ooh. Nakan restaurant. Yeah, future is over there. Cross street at restaurant. Wow. It's also quite busy. That's good. Okay guys, so this is our video today in Padma Legian, Bali. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello, welcome to Bali. Not bad and not so good.